Iceberg Jam back at y'all with another one. Today I'm reviewing the Natty Hurricane Punch, Natty Rush Hurricane Punch. New line that came out fairly recently. I would compare it to competing with the still reserve flavors of the world. 25 fluid ounces, malt beverage with artificial flavors, and certified color. 8% alcohol by volume. Now the place I go to, the Natty Daddy, costs $1.75. The Rushes cost $2.75. Cracking it open. Got the glass. Pour it. See what's good with it. Smells kind of like the red kind of Kool-Aid, not the cherry one, but more like the tropical red kind of Kool-Aid thing. Slightly similar to the Four Locals of the World, but the Four Locals of the World has that kind of cough syrup, a lot of alcohol, and it kind of smell to it. But those Four Locals are 12%. This is 8%. In line with the Natty Daddies of the world, the traditional ones. Let me take a sip. Not too sweet, which is a good thing in this case. You don't want all that sugary sweetness. You know, it can make you kind of feel kind of ill. But it doesn't have a sharp alcohol kind of taste. It tastes kind of like a fruit punch high C that's a little bit watered down. So that's a good thing, which makes it very smooth. You get that fruit punch burst once you sip it, but you don't get that aftertaste. This is good. This is how a malt beverage type of thing should be. It shouldn't be overly sweet, where it can get disgusting after a while, but it's in smoothly. It starts off with just enough sweetness to make this drink enjoyable, and it's smooth, more like a watered down high C kind of thing. So it's something you can deal with. Like when you go out to a fast food place or a fast casual place and you drink your drink, say it's a high C, you got ice in it. Once you get down towards the bottom little portion of it, this is what it tastes like. It's good in my book. The question is, should you get this over the Natty Daddy? Which it comes down to, because those are both 8%. Natty Daddy's $1 cheaper. Well, in this case, now I know I reviewed the Hurricane Blue Frostbite. Was enjoyable. This enjoyable as well. And as that one I said, having people over, people that can't really deal with beer too well, or the malt beverages, sure, go ahead, get this for them, pay that premium of $1. But hey, if you do, you can probably get by with the Natty Daddy. There's no reason not to. Natty Daddy, if you're not really that tasting, just hey, you're in it for the effect, go get the Natty Daddy. But this is smooth. It's definitely worth the premium, like the Blue Hurricane, Natty Rush, Hurricane Punch, Natty Rush. Okay, if you have to get it for an event, party or something, couple people over, maybe some young ladies over that don't want to drink the quote-unquote nasty beer, malt liquor, what have you, go ahead, pick this up. If you do, Yeah, I mean, I see you playing a premium, but why not suck it up with a Natty Daddy? I mean, really can't stand a Natty Daddy? Okay, cool. Get this. I mean, Natty Daddy's that bad. How much are you really, how much you really gonna be drinking of it anyway? How much of these 8% things can you really drink before it's just too much and ridiculous? Good taste, good smoothness, not too sweet. That's all I can really say about it. I'm kind of repeating myself right now, but that's what it is. Like a watered down high C. You can get it down. That's my take. Iceberg Gym out. Deuces.